Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply write a product review in Amazon. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to right top corner and go to your account, and you're going to see your orders. Click on it. Now here you're going to select the items you bought. You can go like with past 3 months, 2020, 2019. And now you can gonna have write product review. Okay. Overall rating, I will go with a 5. Rate features, value for money, warmth, accuracy, and add a headline. And now I'll write here okay, write your review, works really well, nothing to worry about. And submit. Now here, review submitted, we are processing your review. This may take several days, so we appreciate your patience. We will notify you when this is complete. And this is how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it works. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.